Dr. Haris Sayyed.
Dr. Harris.
Dr. Harris.
In case you haven't heard this name, find this person, and find a space to learn from him.
This is nothing been short of amazing. It has actually helped me on so many levels, and I'm so glad that I came here and I learned so much that there is you can actually apply it in your life, whether you want to be a professional coach or not. It, I think, is a must for everybody to do. It really is going to make a difference in your life, because it's going to change the way you think.
As they mentioned, CTA is a transformation academy. It did transform me in last 5 days and enabled me to become a coach to transform lives further. Dr. Harris, Ritu and the team were phenomenal. I came to know that coaching is magic and I really liked it. I loved being here and I look forward to be with them for further courses and the training. Thank you.
It has definitely helped me transform as a person. There is definitely a switch that has been turned, and I'm so grateful to the team for that. Excellent experience, and you all must definitely try it out.
Dr. Haris Sayyed, he's a fabulous coach, a fabulous mentor. There's so much to learn from him. In his presence, the way he speaks, the way he passes on the learning, everything is to the point. The way he can make you comfortable, the way he made me comfortable was stunning. There's so much of learning, so much of knowledge, wealth of knowledge that I am taking away from this course, from these classes that I've attended in Delhi, in Zorba The Buddha. It's a beautiful place. But coming back to the coaching, I'm sure how much I have learned here, it is going to help me build my career, build my success stories in coaching space, not just for myself. At the same time, he is ensuring the amount of values, so much of values that we can inculcate as a human being, as a person, at the same time enable our client to find their solutions in their life. So I highly recommend, in case you haven't heard about CTA or Dr. Haris, this is the time if you want to just work on yourself or grow your career into HR or into coaching. This is the place for you.